For regular maintenance of the HyFlex WaterMax, the Y strainer screen will have to be removed weekly for maintenance to remove any particles that could be trapped in the screen. The water tank, depending on the job site, can have calcium and other minerals build up inside. This tank will have to be cleaned and flushed monthly to remove all the contamination. We recommend washing the unit down daily with low pressure water to remove any of the dust and debris from the daily job site activity. Monthly, the wheels on the WaterMax cart will have to be greased. The swivel casters have 2 grease zerks, one in the wheel and one in the swivel portion. The fixed caster on the rear will only have 1 grease zerk.